Jobber is widely used by small trade businesses because it combines scheduling, invoicing, and customer tracking in one system, instead of splitting them across separate tools. By the end, you'll know whether Jobber or Tradify actually fits your workflow, what each one is built for, and which type of trade business should avoid each platform. Jobber and Tradify solve the same problem on paper, but they are built for different types of operations. That difference shows up in how they handle jobs, pricing structure, and day-to-day field work. First, Jobber. Jobber is designed around service businesses that manage recurring customers and repeat jobs. It focuses heavily on scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and client communication in one place. That means you can create a job, assign it, and automatically move it through the workflow from quote to payment without switching tools. It also puts a lot of emphasis on customer experience, like branded quotes and automated follow-ups. Now, Tradify. Tradify is built more around job tracking and quoting for trade teams that need tighter control over jobs in progress. It leans into estimating, job costing, and tracking work across multiple technicians and stages. It feels more like a production tool for managing active jobs rather than a full client management system. The key difference is how each platform treats the customer side of your business. Jobber pushes you to manage the full customer lifecycle. From first contact to repeat service, everything is connected in one system. Tradify focuses more on what happens once the job is already won. It is structured around planning, executing, and tracking work, rather than ongoing customer engagement. This difference matters when you scale. If your business relies on repeat customers, maintenance plans, or ongoing service calls, Jobber keeps everything tied to the client relationship, so you can automate follow-ups and rebookings. If your business is more project-based, where each job has clear start and finish points with detailed costing, Tradify keeps job tracking more structured and controlled. So the decision comes down to workflow, not features. Choose Jobber if your priority is managing customers and repeat work in one system. Choose Tradify if your priority is tracking jobs, costs, and production stages more tightly. Summary: Jobber focuses on customer management, Tradify focuses on job control, and both serve different types of trade businesses. Next step: check how many of your jobs are repeat versus one-time, because that single factor usually decides which platform actually fits. If this helped, like and subscribe for more breakdowns like this.